Hey everyone, and welcome back to Coding with Brijesh. Today we are going to be talking about a popular mathematical problem called add digits. In this problem, we are given an integer number. Now we have to repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit. Now this problem is also being called as finding the digital root of a given integer. Now to solve this problem, we have to sum all its own digit until we get a single digit. Okay, so for an example, we are given input number 38. Now we can process it like 38, that means 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now as it is not a single digit, we have to again do the summation. So like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now 2 is a single digit, so we will return this. In case of the number is equal to 0, we will simply return 0, or until 9. If the number is 9, we will simply return 9. Now to solve this problem, what we will do is we will create one variable n is equal to number. We are storing this number into one simple variable. Now we will loop for n is greater than or equal to 10, which means if the number is greater than or is equal to 10, that means it is not a single digit number. So what we will do is we will create one variable sum is equal to 0. Now we will loop through our n. So n must be greater than 0. What we will do inside this, we will simply do the summation of every single digit. So we will do like sum is plus equal to n modulo 10. Now this will give us the single digit. Now n divide equal to 10. Simple is that, and at the end we will do n is equal to sum. So this process will be continuing until we got a single digit. So we get the single digit, we will simply return this n number. Okay, this is a straightforward solution for this one. So let's run our test cases for this. As we can see, we have passed all the test cases. Now let's add some more input like 99. Let's add one more around 182. Okay, now let's run this test cases again. Okay, this is passed. Now let's add one more test case. Let's call it 6 7 5 2 4. Okay, let's run our solution. Yep, it is passed. So let's submit our code, and we are accepted. Okay, so this is a simple mathematical calculation. Apart from this, we can also do one more solution. Like, let's scrap this out. Now we know if n, that means number, is equal to 0, we have to return 0. Okay, else if number modulo 9 is equal to 0, we will return 9. Else we will return number, sorry, 9. Let's run our test cases on this one first. So yes, we have an accepted solution. Now let's talk what we have done here. Now to find a root, digital root of a integer number, we can always look for, if it is a 0, that means it will be a 0. The digital root of 0 is always a 0. But if it is a divisible by 9, which means we can take as a consideration for 9 or 18, 27, 36, like that. So for let's take an example for 18. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, so it will always be 9. Now let's take an example of 81. So that will also be 8 plus 1 is equal to 81. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, so it will return 9. Let's take a larger number like 99. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So it is always, if the number is divisible by 9, then its digital root will always be 9. Unless it is a not a 0 and not divisible by 9, then the number is always modulo of 9. So for an example, let's take we have taken example of 99. Let's take an example of 100. So 100. So if we divide it with 9, it will give us a value 1. So even if we check 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, 101 modulo 9 is equal to 2. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that's why this solution has this simple answer. Now let's again submit this solution also, and we have our accepted solution. So you can see we are having not much difference, but with the use of mathematical expressions, we are beating runtime with 77.97%, and for the memory we are beating 69.49%. But with the simple return statements, we are not doing that much good. So it's simple to have a digital calculated solution. So, and that's all for today's video on the add digits problem. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to Coding with Brijesh for more coding tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.